Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you the recipe of onion garlic chicken. So let's get started. I'm going to start adding oil to a pan and then I'll add ginger, garlic and onions to it. You will need 4 large onions for this recipe and you don't need to deep fry them. Just stir it from time to time. And now it's time to add the chicken that is pre-marinated in lime juice. And you can add salt as per your taste. And as you can see that the chicken and the onion has left some water, so you don't need to add any water to this dish. And I'm going to cover it with a lid and let it boil for some time. And now I'm adding some red chilies. And time to add some tomato and chili sauce and keep stirring to mix it. And now the color of the dish will start changing. But since I was not very much satisfied with the color that it turned for the first time, later on I will add some more tomato and chili sauce to the recipe to make it more colorful. And then keep on boiling it. And now it is time to add some soya sauce. And the final touch, half to 1 teaspoon of Ajinomoto to the dish, and keep stirring until it dissolves. I hope you like this recipe. Not only does it look good, it tastes very amazing. So I will be back with another video very soon. Stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Bye.